scale, my shiny scale. Never. How could I ever be happy without them?
After some time, the goldfish went back.
Rainbow fish, I just want only one little shiny scale. Wait, maybe I could give you one little shiny scale.
She pulled off one little shiny scale and gave it to the goldfish.
Thank you so much. Rainbow fish, can you share one more shiny scale with me? One more? Okay, here you go.
Soon all other fishes heard about it and everyone one shiny scale.
Please share one with us.
The more she gives away, the happier she became. Now, she has only few scales left.
Oh, now I have only few shiny scales, but that's okay. Now I have so many friends to play